Luna, wow, 2 points agad for Patrick. Paul Johnson picked up by Patrick. Big bumps, fakes. Pass to Yod. Yod takes a 3. Pass to Paul. 13 to shoot. Paul Johnson. Green. Paul Johnson drives left. Drop pass to number 2. Agaw ni Francis. Pero line ball. Shot clock reset at 24. Ay, hindi. Okay. Tama. Steal. Patrick kumuha, going coast to coast, picked up by Marmar. Patrick, pinasa kay number 49, pinasa kay Francis, 12 to shoot, Francis. Francis, nakita si JJ. JJ takes a 3, 7 to shoot. Pinasa kay number 49, 3 to shoot, 49 for 3. No good. Paul Johnson bringing the ball down. Running time. So, fourth quarter hindi. Paul Johnson making a screen, 14 to shoot. Paul Johnson picked up by Patrick, staggering defense. Tinulak na si Marmar. Foul Patrick. 11. First personal foul, first team foul. Hindi. Di-reset yan, di-reset. 10 to shoot. Paul Johnson, 2 points is good. The score is all tied up at 2. 17 on the shot clock. Francis, nagmamadali. Floater by Francis is good. Paul Johnson bringing the ball down. Paul Johnson, nagmamadali. Paul Johnson, grab into the paint. Foul, number 10. Sino foul? 10. First personal foul, second team foul.
Johnson nga eh, Johnson.
Number 12, first personal foul, second team foul. Ay, ba? Pass to Francis. Shot clock is at 16. Francis, bring the ball down. Francis, picked up by 2 people. 10 to shoot. Francis, pass to 49. Can't get it. Time remaining 8 minutes in the first quarter. Paul Johnson bringing the ball down. Paul Johnson pass to Yod. Yod takes a 3. 17 on the shot clock. 13 to shoot. Paul Johnson takes a 3. Paul Johnson. Francis nagpababa ngayon ng bola. Francis drives left. No foul score. Sinamahan siya sa mukha ni Marmar. 12. Second personal foul. Third team foul. 15 to shoot. Francis drop pass to Aquino. 6 to shoot. Who's foul rep? 15. First personal foul. Third team foul. Aquino 2 shots. Shot is good by Aquino. Second shot. Good. Shooter's roll. Paul Johnson bringing the ball down. Paul Johnson. Picked up by Francis. Paul Johnson slip into the paint. Bumps. Foul. Number 10. Okay na si number 10.
Dalawa?
10, oy! 10! Anak lang.
Totoo lang.
Number 10, Ilang foul na?
Dalawa na.
Dalawa. Ilang team foul?
Matulog yung kampi ko, guys.
First team foul. Ay, first personal foul, second team foul.
Dalawa na yun. Kanina din sa kanya.
First shot. Second shot na pala. No good. Casey.
May nashoot na free throw,
Minashoot na
wala.
free throw? Wala.
Prince! Dire-diretso ko. Tawagin mo nga si Prince.
Prince Francisco, tawag ka dito sa committee.
Kuya Maki.
Corner 3, no good. Rebound ni 49. 49 plus kay Francis. Francis ngayon na mga bana 7 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Shot clock at 18. Francis going right. Francis picked up by 3 people. Apat na. Pull-up jumper, no good. Rebound ni number 2. Pass to Paul Johnson. Nagmamadali picked up by Patrick Tuna. Picked up ngayon by Mark Aquino. Bombs. Reverse layup, no good. Rebound by number 15 is good. And 2 points for number 15 is good. 49 ngayon may hawak ng bola. 49. Thought about the 3, doesn't take it. Back. 10 to shoot. Pass to JJ. Takes the 3, takes the jumper instead. No good. Rebound Aquino. No, cleanup is no good. Rebound Yodge. Pinasa kay Paul Johnson. Paul Johnson takes the outlet pass. Shot clock is at 17. Wait lang daw. 13 to shoot. 6 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Yodge, corner jumper. No good. Nakakuha ni Patrick. Recovered by Patrick. Please, Dinebelata. 13 to shoot. JJ. Pass to 49. Francis tumira ng 3. No good. Rebound Aquino jumper. No good din. Rebound ni Paul Johnson. Going coast to coast. Paul Johnson. Panis si Patrick. 11-6 ang score naman ng Team White. 18 on the shot clock. 5 minutes remaining in the first quarter. Kay Marmar ang bola. Steal by Marmar. Takes the 3. Short. Tiyatapik ni Patrick ang bola. Paul Johnson. No good. No foul is called. Kuha ng Team White. Paul Johnson. 14 on the shot clock. Paul Johnson wait lang daw. 10 to shoot. Paul Johnson for 3. No good. Rebound Patrick. Pass to Marcus Aquino may hawak na bola. Pick up kay Marmar. Matigas ang katawan. Aquino. No good. Rebound ni 49. Pass to foul. Ref. Who's foul? 5. Change 5. Pangina si number 5. Team White. Man, sino pa kanina man? 15. Second personal foul. Pang na team foul. Warning for penalty. Ang Team White. Malyari! Yan out. Yan ang highlight ko. Ay, pagkagawa ng buko dalawang team. Pinasa kay number 17. Ay, kay Lucas grabbing. Takes the jumper. Jumper is good by Lucas Dinglasan. Luke Tinao si number 19. Number 19 pinasa kay Nate. 50 to shoot. Nate man grabbing to the paint. Tapek. Save. Turnover.
Time out daw sila.
Time out rep. Number 2. Sino number 2? Number 99. Number 99 ni hawak ng bola. Okay, Lim driving. Who's foul rep?
Saan si Kuya Alvin?
19. Pangin si 19. 10. First personal foul. Third team foul. First shot ni Lim is good. Second shot, Lim. No good. Ang second shot ni Lim. Rebound ni... Hindi nakita yung number. Lim. Huli ka kay Lim. Wow. Foul rep. Penalty. Penalty rep.
Ay, hindi po. Naka-video.
17. First personal foul. Penalty. Penalty. 13 first shot is good. Pasok, dalawa. Lim, may hawak ng bola. Shot clock is at 18. 14 to 10 ang score. Lamang ang team white pa rin. Lucas pass to the corner, 23. No good. Rebound ni number 19. Number 19 ngayon, may hawak ng bola. Picked up by Lucas, number 19. Drop pass to number 20. Kay Boy. Boy, may hawak ng bola. 15 to shoot. Boy, pinasa kay Boy, tumira ng press.
Ayan na, boy!
No good. Ang takas ng tira. Foul, number 27. Time out, ref. Uy, shot clock reset. Upo, shot clock. Pasok isa. Isa lang. Rebound ni Sarza. Ay, ni Sarza tuloy. Hindi ko nakita. Steal by number... Hindi ko nakita yung number. Basta yun. Number 10, 20. Ay, hindi. Number 10 nga. 30 pala. Hindi ko alam. Shot clock is at 10. Rebound, number 26. Time remaining 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 25 may hawak na bola. 25 driving. Drop pass to 26 is good. Look, picking up number 19. Pinasa kay Boy. Boy ngayon nagbababa ng bola. Boy, pinasa kay number 13. 13. Drive into the paint. Foul. Number 20. Sarja, anong number mo, Sarja? 23.
Michael Jordan.
First personal foul. First shot, no good. Second shot. No good then. Rebound ni Boy. No, rebound ni 25. Agad. Oh, good possession rep.
Good ball.
Lim ngayon magdadala ng bola. Time remaining 1 minute and 43 seconds. 25. Drop. Nope. Fakes. Pass to Sarza. Sarza. Nakita si Lim. 14 to shoot. Lim. Drive. Nope. Stolen by number 13. Number 19 may hawak ng bola. Nate. Tumawag ng lit. Oy! Butik na shoot. 30. Recovers the ball. 18 to shoot. 27. Nate. Pinasa kay Garcia. Garcia. No good. Rebound ni Sarza. Lim ngayon nagmamadali. Sarza. Lim. Layup no good. Oh, stolen by Lim. Lim. Layup no good pa rin. Recovered. Rebound by number 30. Nate ngayon may hawak ng bola. Boy driving. Layup no good. 25 may hawak ng bola. 25 going coast to coast. 47 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Nabitawan ng bola. Team 2 possession. Time remaining 45 seconds. In phase... Ay. 40 seconds remaining. Boy, nagdadala ng bola. 15 to shoot. Pinasa kay Nate. 10 to shoot. Nate. Seconds remaining. Now recover. And the shoot. 25. 8 to shoot. Line ball. 5 seconds remaining in the first quarter. Good if it goes, no good.